Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about the people living in castles. Castles were built to protect the people living inside, but who lived in castles? Kings and queens, lords, ladies and knights. These wealthy noblemen owned the castle and lands around it. They often owned more than one castle and would travel between them. The owners of the castle would have their own private rooms to sleep and live in. The wives of these wealthy men would sometimes travel with their husbands and sometimes stay in one castle. The constables stayed in the castle and took charge of its defence whilst the owner was away. He would have his own room to sleep in. Soldiers were needed to defend the castle. Sometimes there would be many soldiers and sometimes only a few. They would sleep together in a dormitory. Castles were very big and there were many servants to look after it. Some servants' jobs were better than others. Stewards and butlers would look after the wealthy people staying in the castle, making sure they had everything they needed. Other servants would do jobs like lighting the fires and turning the spit in the kitchen. These were dirty jobs and hard work. Lowly servants would sleep wherever they could find a space in the castle. They worked long hours for little pay and had few days off. However, they could eat the leftovers, which was better than peasant food, so many were happy to work at the castle. Entertainers would perform at castle feasts. They would sing, dance, juggle and tell stories. Often, a jester would travel around the country from castle to castle. Sometimes they would live in one castle. For your hands-on activity, create your own standing castle characters. For more information about this activity and more activities related to castles, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, Castles. I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!